Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, how to reduce sugar levels in our bodies. With the increase in processed foods and sugary drinks, it's crucial to take control of our sugar intake for our overall health and well-being. So let's dive into some tips and strategies on how to lower our sugar levels naturally. Section 1. Understanding sugar. Before we start discussing ways to reduce our sugar levels, it's important to understand why high sugar levels can be harmful to our health. Consuming excess sugar can lead to weight gain, increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, and contribute to various other health issues such as heart disease and inflammation in the body. It's essential to be mindful of the types of foods and drinks we consume to keep our sugar levels in check. Section 2. Make healthy food choices. One of the best ways to reduce sugar levels in our bodies is by making healthier food choices. Opt for whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, which are naturally low in sugar and provide essential nutrients for our bodies. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and desserts that are high in added sugars and empty calories. Be sure to read food labels carefully and choose products with lower sugar content. Section 3. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is key to reducing sugar levels in our bodies. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps flush out excess sugar from our bloodstream and keeps our cells hydrated and functioning properly. Avoid sugary beverages such as soda, fruit juices, and energy drinks, which can spike sugar levels and contribute to weight gain. Opt for water, herbal teas, or flavored water infusions to stay hydrated and support your body's natural detoxification process. Section 4. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is another effective way to lower sugar levels in our bodies. Physical activity helps our cells become more sensitive to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, which can help reduce sugar spikes after meals. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, such as walking, jogging, cycling, or strength training. Find activities that you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine to support your overall health and well-being. Section 5. Manage stress. Stress can also contribute to high sugar levels in our bodies, as it triggers the release of stress hormones that can interfere with insulin regulation. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature, can help lower sugar levels and improve overall health. Prioritize self-care and relaxation to reduce stress levels and support your body's natural balance. Section 6. Get enough sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is crucial for maintaining healthy sugar levels in our bodies. Lack of sleep can disrupt insulin sensitivity and lead to higher sugar levels, which can impact our overall health and well-being. Aim for 9 hours of quality sleep each night and establish a relaxing bedtime routine to promote restful sleep. Create a dark, quiet, and comfortable sleep environment to support your body's natural rhythms and help regulate sugar levels. Section 7. Monitor your blood sugar. If you have concerns about high sugar levels, it's important to monitor your blood sugar regularly and consult with a healthcare provider for guidance. They can recommend appropriate tests, lifestyle changes, and treatments to help manage your sugar levels and improve your overall health. Keep track of your blood sugar levels, symptoms, and any changes in your diet or exercise routine to monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, reducing sugar levels in our bodies is essential for our overall health and well-being. By making healthier food choices, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and monitoring our blood sugar levels, we can support our body's natural balance and lower sugar levels naturally. Remember to be patient and consistent with your efforts, as small changes over time can lead to significant improvements in your health. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.